Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fat Finds, and I am putting together a little camp stew with some of my barbecue left from the casino. And so I'm going to show you how I'm going to make that. I've got some barbecue pork here from my barbecue pork plate. And I usually like to do a mix of at least the chicken and the pork, but you can get away with doing just chicken or just pork or whatever. But remember that your stew will only be as good as your barbecue. So, and then I've got some chicken broth, and I've got some corn and some diced tomatoes, and you can put onions, peppers, whatever you want to add to this, you can add to it. But I'm also going to add 1 packet of little red ripple. Now, don't ask me for the recipe as far as measurements go, because I am not your measurement girl. I am a great dump cook, and that means if I can throw a couple of cans in the pot with a few fresh veggies mixed in it. And I did want to do my onion, but yeah, it's late and I'm running behind, so I'm not going to do that. But I will tell you that my southern seasoning, southern flavor is part of the secret sauce. You know, they say it's all in the sauce, all in the sauce. You seen that movie Fried Green Tomatoes? That's exactly what it's about. It's all in the sauce, baby. Okay. Oh God, me and Jim loved that movie, didn't y'all? So I'm getting my corn open over here. Got my corn, and I'm just gonna dump as much corn in there as I want. And I think that looks good. Because you can really overdo it on corn, and it'll take over your whole super stew. And I don't want a bowl full of corn with a little bit of meat mixed in it. So then the next thing I'm going to do is come over here and get my tomatoes, my can of tomatoes, and I'm just going to dump a bunch of that in there. Now I'm going to take my, and you know, always I was thinking, well, maybe I'll go back and saute me some onions and put them in here. I intended on doing this on the stove, and it's like with anything else, the longer that it cooks, or the longer that it sits, like with your spaghetti, the better it is. And y'all, I'm just using my little plastic knife to do this with, because I'm just lazy. I told you, I'm just lazy today. Okay. So I want to give that a good little toss up. well, I say lazy today, but I've been working on the camper today, and oh my God, these things are next level. If you know, you know. So, okay. So I got that done. And you can make it as tomatoey as you want to. You can just do the diced tomatoes without the, I'm just gonna squeeze a little packet of now. If you're doing with a jar, just squirt as much as you want in there, and you know, there she goes. So you can give it as much of that barbecue flavor as you want. And to me, the bull barbecue sauce is a little spicy, so I'm not adding, usually I drop a dash, and I know for some of you it would be 2 or 3 of Tabasco up in this. Oh Lord. Put my knife over there, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for just a few seconds, and might put a little bit more of that seasoning or some cracked pepper and salt, and but that's your baby right there. By the way, you can put baby lima beans in there. It's really good if you like baby lima beans. I'm not gonna gross y'all out that don't. And then you can, like I said, put onions, peppers, you know, whatever fresh vegetables you want to. It's your camp stew, potatoes. But this is pretty much your base. So, wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you've ever dreamed of. I'm fixing to little fried cornbread with that on. Whoa. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these vlogs. But look, I had to give you my camp stew recipe, okay? But this is the base, and you can pretty much add to it and go anywhere that you want to from there. You just start with basically the corn, tomatoes, and smoked meat, and some barbecue sauce. And so, happy camping. Love you guys. Bye.